Alright, Friday, April 11th. And one of the distinguishing features of Asia is the national bird, which is the jackhammer. And it generally comes out along with the rooster at about 1 a.m. and goes until about 4 a.m. In this instance, we're replacing sidewalks. So they decided to do the jackhammering from about midnight to about 5 a.m. And this is the case going on right now. They're replacing sidewalks out front. So we got jackhammering going on. And I'm heading over. You know what? Tonight is a good night for the JW Marriott. So we'll be making a little transfer over there. So between the jackhammer and Mr. Rooster, I'm gonna go get some sleep. Anyway, Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam is what it is. Time to vacate the premises. Bye-bye.